What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can delete your incognito browsing data on Google Chrome in your iPhone. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do first, you have to go to a Chrome browser. After going to Chrome browser, you need to click on the search bar icon. So please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you so that you can delete your incognito browsing data from your iPhone. So this is applied for iPhone and Android the same way and the same tricks. So you have to follow my uh, points. So after that you have to click on this option, then you have to type a website URL just like this, chrome urls slash. You can copy it from a description, otherwise you have to put it manually on your browsing URL. After typing this, you have to click on go, then you will land a website just like this. Then you have to find a option called Chrome history just like this. You have to click on this option, Chrome history, so you can see our incognito browsing history. You have to click on this. After clicking on this option, this is all the browsing data from your incognito mode and normal regular mode. So if you want to delete the incognito browsing history, you have to click on this option, clear browsing data. After clicking on this, you have to check all the boxes on. After checking all the boxes on, then you have to click on this option, clear data. Then your all the incognito browsing history will be removed. So this is how you can delete your incognito browsing history in your iPhone. So I hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.